this is how to use the cappuccino side of your Bella Pro Series coffee maker. So the water is going to go right here in the top. Oh, I need to wipe that off. The water needs to go right here on this side. You can only use one side at a time. You're going to hit that power button. All these are going to blink, and as soon as it blinks, you pick the size that you want. Let me grab my cappuccino. That would have been sorry you guys, I'm doing a video I don't normally do. So anyway, water in this size and this side. Water in this side. Wait till they stop blinking, and then you're gonna get this comes off right here. I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be a little difficult because I'm one-handed doing this, but you grab your little scooper, get your cappuccino, stuff it down there. So it comes with that thing right there. You stuff that down in there. I'm gonna move my cup, and then you're gonna go up in here and you're gonna click it. Oh man, this is really hard one-sided. Okay, put your cup there, do your 2 cup, and then voila. Really, the real trick that I wish someone would have taught me was that to wait till the lights stop blinking. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you after that. After that brews, we're gonna come over here and use this. Look at that beautiful cup of cappuccino. And this is what the model looks like that I got. So then if you want steam, you have a button here, and you're gonna click that over. Okay, and don't do what I just did. Put your cup there first. And then you're gonna hold your cup. I recommend holding it up pretty high and giving it a second, and then swirling your cup around. This is gonna be a little hard to do. You see that steam just came out, so just give it a second because it'll whirl again. I don't want to let go of my phone because it'll start spraying. But anyway, this thing has a super stream of spray, and it will get everywhere. So make sure you're holding your cup up. But see, and there it goes. Now I recommend it with like heavy whipping cream. I did not have any, so I'm using regular cream, and that's why it got everywhere, and I'm just gonna turn it off. Anyway, that, my friends, is how you make a lovely cup of cappuccino.